What if I told you that in just one day you could see Mughal palaces, colonial boulevards, and medieval ruins, all without leaving the city? Delhi isn't just a city, it's a time machine. So, if it is your very first day here in Delhi, we have got you covered with the perfect one-day itinerary. So, trust us, it's going to be a journey through history, culture, and flavors. We start our day in Old Delhi with the iconic Red Fort, a UNESCO World Heritage Site and one of the finest Mughal monuments in India. Take a moment to imagine the Mughal emperors holding courts here centuries ago. Next, hop onto a rickshaw and ride through chaotic, colorful lanes of Chandni Chowk. Don't miss a stop at Asia's largest spice market, Khari Baoli. The sights, sound and smell will stay with you long after your trip is over. And while you are here, treat yourself to some local favorites, a hot crispy kachori or a plate of syrupy jalebis. Quick snacks that are must to try in this bustling neighborhood. By late morning, it's time to experience a different side of the city. Take the metro and head towards central Delhi. As you step out, it feels almost like a time travel. Suddenly you are in New Delhi. This part of the city was carefully planned and designed by the British in the early 20th century. Stop at India Gate, Delhi's famous war memorial, and then take a drive past Rashtrapati Bhavan, the President Palace, reminder of city's British past. From here you can head to Humayun's Tomb, a stunning Mughal garden tomb that actually inspired the Taj Mahal. It's calm, peaceful and a perfect break from a busy street. After Humayun's Tomb, explore Sanjay Colony, a vibrant community here in South Delhi. Walk through its lanes, visit local businesses, a temple, a mosque and residential areas to experience the real life here in Sanjay Colony. Despite the challenges, the neighborhood is full of energy and community spirit. By now, you will need a break. Head to Khan Market, one of Delhi's most stylish spots. Here, stop for a delicious lunch. There is something for everyone, from Indian street bites to international flavors. Later, visit Qutub Minar, world's tallest brick minaret. Walk through Qutub Complex filled with medieval ruins. Watch the sunset and cast the golden glow at this 800-year-old masterpiece. After a day full of adventure, it's time to unwind. Head to Hauj Khas, a charming neighborhood centered around a historic water tank. It's a perfect spot to relax, enjoy the peaceful surroundings and have a cup of coffee or snacks here. In just one day, you have experienced the soul of Delhi, from Mughals to colonial elegance and modern day vibes. If you don't want to worry about planning your day in Delhi, we can take care of it with private tours and routes just made for you so that you can relax and enjoy. Discover Delhi at your own pace and take home stories that you will never forget.